Long ago, in a certain place, there lived a kind-hearted old man and old woman. The old man, as usual, went to the mountains to gather firewood. Heave ho, heave ho, heave ho, heave ho. He cut down a lot of trees and became hungry. Now, let's eat the rice balls that Grandma made for me. As he sat on a tree stump, one of the rice balls rolled out of the wrapping and fell. The rice ball went rolling and tumbling down the mountain. My precious rice ball, wait, wait. The old man chased after the rice ball. The rolling rice ball ended up in a hole near a big tree. The old man peered into the hole, but it was too dark to see clearly. Then he heard joyful voices coming from inside the hole. The rolling rice ball, how delightful! The rolling rice ball, how delightful! Surprised, the old man dropped another rice ball into the hole. The rolling rice ball, how delightful! The rolling rice ball, how delightful! Even more joyful voices came from inside the hole. Curious about the voices in the hole, the old man decided to enter. With a heave-ho, the old man went rolling and tumbling down into the hole. At the bottom of the hole, many mice were living. The mice were happily eating the rice balls that the old man had dropped. "Thank you, old man, for the delicious rice balls," said the mice. "That's good, I'm glad you enjoyed them." From then on, the old man dropped rice balls into the hole every day. The rolling rice ball, how delightful! The rolling rice ball, how delightful! The old man listened to the happy voices of the mice every day. One day, the mice came out of the hole and said to the old man, "Thank you, old man, for the delicious rice balls every day. As a thank you, we give you this box." "Thank you, little mice." The old man took the box and went home. When he opened the box at home, he found it filled with gold coins. From then on, the old man and old woman lived happily ever after. The end. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. Please make sure to subscribe to the channel and give it a thumbs up.